The postman delivers my letters every day at 7 a.m. One morning, he delivers the letters at 6 a.m. I say, so what does the word already mean? To understand, let's answer some questions first. What time does the postman usually deliver the letters? He usually delivers the letters at 7 a.m. And what time does he deliver the letters on this day? 6 a.m. Is this earlier than expected? Yes, we expected the postman to deliver the letters at 7 and not before that. The word already is used to show something is earlier than expected, or it happened before something else, before it was 7 o'clock. Let's see some examples. Already is generally used in affirmative statements. It can come between have or has and the main verb, or at the end of the sentence. Already can be used with past simple and other tenses as well. The postman delivers my letters every day at 7 a.m. One morning, it's 9 a.m. and he still has not delivered the letters. I say, what does the word yet mean? Again, let's answer some questions first. What time does the postman usually delivers the letters? Is this later than expected? Yes, I am waiting for the letters. We use yet to show that something is later than expected or when we're waiting for something. Let's see some examples. We use yet with negative statements and questions. Yet comes at the end of the sentence or question. So I go to work and then at 10 a.m. I call home and ask if the postman has delivered the letters yet. What time do you think he delivered the letters? Probably somewhere around 9:55 and 9:45. Just used with the present perfect means a short time before now. Something that happened only a short time ago, right before now. Let's see some examples. Just is used with positive sentences and questions. Just comes between have or has and the main verb. Let's recap.